So I'm here in my backyard rink and I got a hole in the tarp right there. And I'm just going to show you guys how to repair it. Now I'm going to use Gorilla waterproof tape. You can also use Flex Seal tape. It's about twice as expensive, so I'm going to try this one. It's, yeah, you can apply it underwater. So I'll show you how to fix this little hole I put in my rink. Unfortunately, this tape is black, which isn't ideal. But if it stops this water from escaping, we'll deal with it. I think the Flex Seal tape might be a different color, so maybe I want to go with that. But this should be a really easy fix. Just open it up. And you can get this tape at your, should be able to get it at your local building center, like Home Depot or Canadian Tire, Home Hardware, Walmart maybe, whatever you got. Check it out. The Flex Seal tape is used for around windows. So, yeah, it's thick. It's a beefy one. I'm just going to cut off a little piece. I don't want a huge, ugly patch in my rink. You just want to hopefully get it on a flat surface. So I'm just going to apply it really quick. Squeeze out all the bubbles. And yeah, the water is going to be freezing cold literally if you already have ice in like I do. The beginnings of ice. Boom! Bob's your uncle. Or maybe you call him Robert, but there you go. We'll see how that holds up. So again, this is Gorilla waterproof tape, or you can also use Flex Seal tape. Good luck with your rink, guys and girls. Ciao.